I hate that feeling when I go to the fridge, I see that there is nothing in there I can eat, and then I go back to my room, realize that I'm still hungry, I go back to the fridge to check it again, and surprisingly nothing has magically appeared in there, there's still nothing to eat. You're trying to bulk, to gain muscle, to get big and strong, but you actually don't have any good foods to eat day by day. You just eat the same thing every single day. So it's kind of difficult to not fall onto eating chocolate because that's the only thing that you actually have at home. It's pretty relatable. I go through this too sometimes. So to help you with that, I made this video where I will tell you some of the foods that you can be eating on a clean diet with a bulk, so that you will avoid the struggle a little bit. So one of the most basic things you can eat is eggs. You can make them cooked, you can make them like fried, you can do anything. You can make an omelette, you can do many things with eggs. You might get sick of them if you eat them all the time, but they are pretty good. They have decent amount of calories, they're healthy, they have a lot of protein. They also have fats, but it's a really good food to eat. I eat them honestly almost every single morning. You can eat some fruits. Fruits are really good for you. Bananas have like 100 calories, so they're like a pretty good weapon for bulking. A really good one is to have a lot of canned fish, like tuna. I don't know how they're called in English, but canned fish, they're amazing. They have a lot of protein and they're easy. You just open the can and eat them. Beans can be really good. They're not difficult to prepare. You can make a salad or something. You should have protein powder to make shakes with you. This is really tasty. Greek yogurt is a pretty good source of protein, but it also has fats, but it's a very good thing. You should have some potatoes. Potatoes are amazing. If you never cooked before, potatoes can be a little bit intimidating to make because, you know, it's cooking, it's baking, but you know, it's really not difficult. If you cook them, you just need to put them in hot water. If you bake them, you just need to put some oil and put them in the baking thing. Rice is an amazing thing. Rice has a lot of calories. You can eat a lot of it. It's tasty. You know what I do? I cook it and then I put olive oil in it, then salt, pepper. I mix everything up and it's really good. You can do that same thing with potatoes actually. You bake them, you cook them in hot water, then you squeeze them to make like mashed potatoes yourself with a fork, and then you put olive oil in it, salt and pepper. That's amazing. I'm telling you, that is one of the tastiest things ever, and it's really simple. You can have some oatmeal. Oatmeal is really good. It's really good. It's simple to make. It has protein. It has good calories. It's healthy. Honestly, if you want to make the oatmeal a little bit sweeter for yourself, it's not the healthiest thing, but it's also not that bad for you. You can put a little square of dark chocolate in the oatmeal, and then when you heat it, it melts down and it makes it into a little chocolate flavor. It's pretty good. And then obviously meat and fish is your #1 weapons, but that's not that simple to make, so I was not gonna put it in this video. But yeah, you keep in mind obviously meat and fish. Those are the things that I eat on a daily basis to bulk. They're healthy, they have a lot of calories, they're good for you, and they're easy to prepare, so all of these are very good weapons for bulking, so I recommend you to use them. But there's plenty of other foods that you can use, not just these are just some of my recommendations, so be creative with it. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, you can check out some more. You can maybe watch this one. You can subscribe if you like my channel, and that's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.